What's up, y'all? Your girl finally did her big one by doing this hairstyle, and I customized her wedding dress. This was my first time doing a full 360, y'all, and I'm so proud of myself. Like, to do your hair on your big day, girl, like that's a big thing. So I wanted to shoot like a little bit behind the scenes so you guys can see what I did. So let's hop right into the video.
Few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
What's up, y'all? So I'm taking y'all with me, y'all. I customized my first wedding dress, and I'm also doing the hair.
Turn left.
Excuse that, y'all. I'm also doing the hair of the bride, and I'm just like, I'm honored, y'all. Well, I did do hair for a bride before, my aunt, but this lady found me on Facebook, and we've been kind of linked in since then. So I'm excited. I'm definitely going to try to get some content, get a little bit of stuff of me doing her hair, but I really want y'all to see the dress so I can know, what y'all think about it, even though I don't give a fuck. She love it, and that's all that matters. But yeah, y'all, so we gonna see how everything goes. The venue is like 40 minutes from my house, so we headed up there now. I am like a little behind, so I really feel bad for that. Of course she's going white, but she wanted like rose gold on her dress, and it was kind of hard for her to find that. The sleeves that were on the dress, hold on, why are they trying to take me to 9 to 5? Hold on, y'all. The sleeves that were on the dress were like too tight, so we had to remove those. Wait a minute, y'all, let me make sure I'm going the right way, because no, man. So yeah, so I removed the sleeves, added like some rose gold applique around there, and we went from there. Like, and I was kind of nervous, y'all, and because she was kind of indecisive, but we came up with something. So I know she gonna look so good. She should be getting her makeup done now. Y'all tell me below, like, do you supposed to get your makeup done or your hair done? Like, I know you're supposed to, like, I would normally get my hair done first, but if you getting it at one time, like, it's kind of hard.
Then use the right lane to merge onto I.
Try to get some content. Well, not try, like I am. You know what I'm saying? Because if you trying to like grow, if you're trying to like grow your business, baby, you have to like get some content, okay? So even if it's like little clips, y'all, because sometimes I be like too busy to always record.
Exit 190 on the left toward Petersburg.
I be like too busy to record, so I just try to like shoot like clips and stuff. And baby, I'm not racing you this morning. You can go ahead around me, because I ain't got time for that stupid ass. You hit my truck, I'ma sue the fuck out you. But we ain't trying to have that, because it's somebody's wedding today, so I'ma avoid it at all costs. They don't see today. What is wrong with people? Okay, y'all, so as soon as I got there, I just waited until she got her makeup finished. I wish I would have did her hair first, but I did have to just touch up her makeup a little bit. So once she got her makeup done, I just got to doing her hair. And again, this is my first time installing like a 360. I have installed a lot of wigs, so I do know how to do it. But again, I'm not a professional hairstylist. It's just, a talent that I have. So it's just something that I do on the side. I don't really promote it like that. But her bun came out so cute, y'all. Like, the melt in the back was everything. I had a little wrinkle in the front, but I was able to, like, fix it with, like, the swoop. And, the back just looks so good, y'all. Like, it looked like I've been doing 360s for a minute. So, this just like a little sneak peek of the dress. But this is how it looked when it came to me, y'all. And I swear, she had, like, 4 different ideas. This is the last idea that she went with, but the sleeves were too small. You can see under the armpits where someone had added fabric that's not even the same as the mesh. And I had to remove like the breast cups because she had like real big breasts, so the cups just look weird. And also the back wasn't able to go up all the way, so I had to alter that so that it looked better. You know, she wasn't liking how that looked, and she really wanted to add rose gold. Now, me personally, I wouldn't want to add rose gold to my gown, but whatever my bride wanted, she got it. She wanted this, added to it. She picked out the design, so we just went with it. But I do love having it as a trimming around the bottom of the dress because it gave it like an elegant look. Like, it looked so expensive. Like, look how good that looked. So I ended up taking out the breast part, and I added like a little bit of that rose gold fabric to the side because it kind of gave like a crown look. And for her veil, even though she didn't wear it, I still did it, you know. But like I was telling her, I feel like it'll look better without it. But again, you are the bride, so it's definitely up to you. Once I did the waist part, like, look how snatched her waist looked versus the first picture that we got here. Like, the waist just looks snatched, and I love that. So this is how everything looked together. And again, I told her that I felt like the veil gave it like an old-fashioned look, and I didn't think that, you know, she would go for that. So we just went with like a rose gold tiara, and she loved it. Like, this is what she wanted, and I think it came out cute. So I also attended the wedding because I needed to get my own content. I didn't want to have to, you know, wait on her photographer or none of that. But she picked out these dresses for the bridesmaid, and when I say they came out and they was just sparkling, y'all, it just looked so good. So I just stayed for a little while. You know, it was so beautiful. I don't know why I'd be ready to cry like at people's weddings, y'all. This is my first wedding that I've attended as an adult, which is crazy. So I was emotional, and you know, this is just my Facebook sister, but girl, I was so emotional. It was so beautiful, you know, and I felt like it fit her because she always do braids and, you know, never do makeup. This was her first time getting her makeup done, and I think she looked really good. It made me emotional to see like love, and, you know, not just black love, but love period, y'all. Like, I really was ready for the cry. I was like, let me hold myself together. So I just appreciate her for even thinking of me to help make her special day. Like, it means a lot to me for people to reach out to me and believe in me sometimes more than I believe in myself. So I really appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I promise to only get better with time. It's a lot of stuff that I still need to learn, but I've came a long way. So I'm so thankful for that, and I'm going to keep on working, and we're going to keep on going up, period. So yeah, y'all, just make sure, you know, it feels right. Like, don't just jump into something because of the money or the fame or whatever, you know. Just really just make sure it feels right. All right, I got to go.